Hey Jorge, we just received these pieces. How are you feeling about this exhibition?
Great, I feel great. It's gonna be incredible.
See guys, this is the first part of the exhibition. The first step is him looking around and he'll be thinking where he's gonna put this, where he's gonna place the other artwork. It's gonna make sense, this color is gonna make sense with this color. It's really interesting the way he thinks.
I think this is it.
You like it?
I like it. Use this.
Jorge, what is the feeling you want people to feel when they see Flowers for the Modern World, this exhibition? Question for you.
Joy.
Joy.
Of course, joy. I believe that the flowers brought light and joy to the gallery. Look. What do you think?
I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's brighter.
It is.
This is our show card, and that's the piece who had got inspired to create this design. Look at this. Flowers for the Modern World. He mentioned joy, and I am feeling a lot of joy by just looking at this beautiful piece. Look at those beautiful flowers. They are not ordinary pieces, and I love how they came with different colors, so they're gonna please everyone. We're gonna have a blue one. If you like red and yellow, we also have that.
You'll see they match. Same color tone, same flowers, and if you stand right over here, then you can see that black wall too, and it's got similar color tones and values. Now it's a nice, subtle feeling you get.
What piece caught your attention? What piece it's like really standing out for you? We have 20 new pieces.
Right now, this one. This one is up here from a distance.
From a distance.
See it?
Yeah,
Yes. Comes alive.
it does.
Close to like that one.
Guys, I'm so excited for this new exhibition. He putting together all the artwork, and I think this one's my favorite. And do you want to know why? One, look at the size of this piece, right? Two, I like that it says coffee here, because I like coffee a lot. So kind of talk to me a little bit. Talking about coffee?
Drinking coffee.
Mushroom coffee.
Mushroom coffee.
It's your favorite one, right?
Yes.
Why?
It has medicinal mushrooms inside of it, so I'm starting to feel it already.
Yeah? It's really good coffee. I decided to put this piece here, but I don't know if he likes it.
Love it.
Have you decided on this room yet?
Maybe on one of these. And maybe it could work here. Maybe.
I think it will. Wow, it looks gorgeous there. Yeah. Jorge, come here. What is the hardest part of setting up exhibition, on your opinion?
It's not hard at all.
It's not hard for you?
Nope. It's probably, it's just making it all come together. But it will come together. Hate it.
Hey.
It works really well on that black wall, as you said.
think this piece is gonna stay here, which looks really good. And I like the reflection that's creating. Look, looks like it's wet, but it's not wet. Looks really clean. Yeah. It's like a puzzle, guys, for him, setting up a show. But that's the fun part for you, right?
Yeah, it is actually. It's the most spectacular part. No, it's the fun part. I like it the best.
Check out this buzz, guys. Look at that.
That's somebody's.
Yeah? Someone owned
It
this?
looked like it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Some random people.
Oh, wow, I already changed here too. The surrounded by flowers now.
Yeah. I have 1, 2, 3. We could put these.
Guys, Jorge was just talking about how he wanted people to feel joy when they come inside the gallery. And something cool just happened, and I wanted to be here for that, you know, just want to tell them.
Yeah, so a lady named Joy walked in, and she was from North Carolina and just happened to stumble upon the gallery. And we asked her name, and she said, "My name is Joy." And she smiled, and she was very happy, and she enjoyed our artwork and got a print. So.
It just makes so much sense. We're pulling together exhibition to make people feel joy, and literally joy came inside the gallery right now. How come? This is a good time. Okay, he have a headache now. Too much thinking, huh?
Too much.
Okay.
Look.